Hello everyone and welcome back once again. So today we have another KYOSHO Mini Z 4x4. This one being the Jeep Rubicon in this nice looking yellow colour. Let's have a look, what have we got? Alright, so the colour is Hellayella, licensed by Jeep of course. Same packaging as the Toyota 4Runner. There we go. So let's get this one out of the box, eh? I've had quite a busy week, so that's why it's been a little while since there's been any other videos, so I do apologise for that. We're getting there. I might just do this off camera. And plenty of sticky tape on everything. It's a good thing, I guess. More sticky tape, eh? I'll just cut it from the front. Everything's got sticky tape on it. That's okay. Alright, we got there, finally. Yeah. Nice packaging as always by KYOSHO. And your manual. Same as the 4Runner one. Let's get this remote out. So, same as the other one of course. And of course your other pinion gears. Alright, let's get this off the base. I'll do this off camera. So of course you've got the 4 screws on the bottom. Makes a nice little display stand as well, if you want to display it like that. But I think what most people want to do is they want to take it off and use it. And 2 more. Just take your time. One more. Quite tight, that one. Okay, that took like forever, but it's okay. Very nice detail yet again by KYOSHO. They really do a good job with these bodies. Flawless, I can't see any issues. Yeah, we're still waiting on parts to fix this one off. So eventually that will be back together. Alright, let's get this body up, eh? So you got glue tabs on one side. Done. Of course, one side's got to be difficult, doesn't it? Okay. This is a lot easier off camera. I'll do it over here. There we go. Take time, no need to force it. And of course, like I said, same again. This is a Forerunner, but this one, I think the wheelbase is a little bit longer. Everything else is the same. Look at that body. This looks too good to use. It's a 4 drive, so it doesn't get marked. The scratches, dents, whatever. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'll do a running video later. Test it with the other one as well. Alright, see you next time. Bye.